Good morning, children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do exercise 11.3, chapter 11, mensuration. Question number 1. In this question, it is given that there are two cuboidal boxes as shown in the adjoining figure. Which box requires lesser amount of material to make? That means you need to find the material to make these two boxes. That means you need the total surface area, because the question is which box requires lesser amount of material to make. Two boxes are there. You need to find the material required to make this box, and the first box, say it is A, and the second box, say it is B. You have to find the total surface area. That means you have to find the total surface area of the two boxes where the dimensions are given. For the first box, it is given 60, length 60 centimeter, breadth 40 centimeter, and height 50 centimeter. For the second box, it is given length 50, breadth 50 centimeter, and height also 50 centimeter. So you need to find the total surface area of these two boxes, and then which box requires lesser amount of material. That means to find the total surface area, which one is lesser. So to find this one, this total surface area, we will declare the length, breadth, and height of the two boxes. Now for figure A, given that length is 60 centimeter, breadth 40 centimeter, height 50 centimeter. So TS a total surface area, you know the formula, 2 into length into breadth LB plus BH plus LH. When we will put all the value, 2 into 60 into 40 plus 40 into 50 plus 50 into 60 centimeter square, that is 2 into 60 into 40, 2400 plus 4 5s are 20, 00 plus 5 6 are 30, 00 centimeter square. Add this all, you will get the value. After multiplying and adding, we are getting 7400. Now multiply 2 with this, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14, 00 centimeter square. Now you will find the total surface area to make this box is 14,800 centimeter square. Come to the next box. In this box, the length is given 50 centimeter, breadth is also 15 centimeter, height is 50 centimeter. So you can see that it is a cube. To find the area, to find the total surface area of a cube, you know the formula for a cube: 6 into side square or 6 into L square. Or you can find that formula also, 2 into LB plus BH plus LH plus LH. This formula also you can use here, but it will be easy for you because as we can see that all the sides are equal, so it is obviously it is a cube. So the total surface area of a cube is 6L square. So we are finding the total surface area by 6 using this. 6 into L means 50 here, 50 square centimeter square. 6 into 5 5s are 25, 00 centimeter square. Multiply 5 6 are 30, 3 carry 12, 13 14 15. So 15,000 centimeters. So the 15,000. Now you can compare with these two total surface area. If we compare these two total surface area, one is 14,800 centimeter square and another one is 15,000 centimeter square. So which one is lesser amount? So we can write that it is 14,800, it is 15,000 centimeter, 14,800 centimeter square, it is 15,000 centimeter square. So this one is lesser amount compared to this A and B. So we can write that box A requires lesser amount of material to make, as the surface area of the cuboidal box A is lesser than the surface area of the cubical box B. Understood? Now come to the next question, question number 2. A suitcase with measures 80 centimeter into 40 centimeter into 24 centimeter is to be covered with a tarpaulin cloth. How many meters of tarpaulin of width 96 centimeter is required to cover 100 such suitcases. Now from the beginning, 80 centimeter into 48 centimeter into 24 centimeter, these are the measurement of the length, breadth and height of the suitcase. One suitcase length, first one we will take as length, second one we will take as breadth, and third one we will take as height of the suitcase. So for one suitcase we can find out how many meters of clothes, how many centimeters square of cloth will require to make this, to cover this by a tarpaulin cloth, by finding the total surface area. Now you have to make 100 such boxes, and where you have to find the length. When we are purchasing any cloth, we are not purchasing the cloth by their width, we are finding the cloth by their length. We are we are purchasing the cloth by using their length, sorry. So 100 such suitcases, afterwards you can find out. First of all, we have to find the total surface area of one box, and then what is the length of tarpaulin is required to make one box, as the width is given 96 centimeter. So to find the total surface area of one box, what the things are given here. Length is given 80 centimeter, breadth 48 centimeter, height 24 centimeter. To find the total surface area, you know the formula, 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Putting all the values here, 2 into 80 into 48 plus 48, because 48 into 24, length in breadth into height, then height into length, 24 into 80 centimeter square. Now we are multiplying 2 into 80 into 48, 0, 64, 8 8 is 64, and then 8 4 is 32, 8 4 is 32 plus 4 plus 6, you will get 3840, plus 48 into 24, you will get 1152, plus 24 into 80, you will get 1920 centimeter square. Add all these, we will get 2 into 6912 centimeter square, or multiply it by 2, 13824 centimeter square. Do all this rough work, all this multiplication work on the right side of your copy. So afterwards we are finding the area, total surface area of one, to cover one suitcase. The area of the tarpaulin is given here. So we can now, this area can be the length and breadth of the tarpaulin, will be the area of tarpaulin. To cover the one box, tarpaulin is required. Now area of the tarpaulin cloth for cover one suitcase is TSA of one suitcase. So we can write length into breadth is equal to TSA of one suitcase, 13,824. What we have find out before only surface area of one suitcase. Surface area of one suitcase, here it is given 13,824, which we will use here, as it is length into breadth to cover one suitcase is the area of the tarpaulin cloth. Breadth we know here, which we can length into 96, width is given here. So 13824. Therefore L equal to 13824 divided by 96. Cancel it or divide it, you will get the length of the tarpaulin cloth. So when we will divide, we will get 144 centimeter. Cancel it or divide it, you will get the same value, 144 centimeter square. So we can we have to make 100 such boxes. So length of 100 such tarpaulin, length of the tarpaulin for 100 such boxes will be 144 into 100 centimeter, that is 14,400 centimeter, or you can convert it into meter also, divided by 100. Therefore, or you can write 144 meter. I hope the sum will be easy for you if you practice it. Thank you, students.